Yeah, hello friends. So I'm from BPO Solutions Service India. So now I'm gonna explain about the process of HTML typing demo. Generally, we'll send that back to your mail. You have to download the files, and we'll send that file as a WinZip folder. So just simply download that WinZip file like this from your mail. So once you did download that files, you have to extract that folder. So once you extract it, you'll get that folder like this, and just so each and every image has a individual file name in the page itself like this. So just you can open with your image either Photo Viewer or else Paint or else Office Picture Manager. You can use any one of the three applications to view this image like this. So next you have to open Notepad. So you have to type all the pages in your Notepad. So just open that Notepad and just go to the format. So you have to use the font only Times New Roman. That style you have to use regular and size should be 10. So this 3 is mandatory for all the 250 pages. So after that we have to start with start tag. So just now type something like that. So just you can easily understand that files. So just you have to start with start tag. So these are the tag you have to always use for all the pages and just give enter. Next you have to type the title tag. So the title you have to type only that image file's name. So as I told already, you will get separate individual file name for all the 250 pages in that page itself on the right side top of that image. So here you can able to see that image file's name. So you have to type that file name as a title tag. Follow the uppercase lowercase as per the image. And then so whenever close the tag you have to use slash while closing the tag like this, and just give enter and open the body tag here, and just give enter again, open the page tag. So that page tag we had to type that image page number here. So they mentioned that image files the page number also we had to type that same. For example, sometimes they mention that uppercase lowercase in an image. So if mention uppercase we had to type only that same uppercase. In case if mention that uppercase and lowercase like this, we have to follow the same as it is. So just type that same, follow the uppercase lowercase, and just give only single space for all the image. So even if mention more than one space, we have to give single space betwixt the words. Don't give more than one space even if mentioned in an image. So in case if not mentioned any space in an image, no need to give any space, just type the same, and you have to close that page tag. After close that page tag, just give enter and open that paragraph. So after open that paragraph tag, you have to type that same as it is what mentioned in an image, that same. So follow the uppercase, lowercase, and that full stop, comma, everything you have to type the same. So once you finish the line, so here that first line ends with long break. So this is the end of that first image. So just once you finish that line, you have to use that break instead of enter. So while typing that paragraph, don't use the enter. So just simply use that break instead of enter and type continue the next line. So like this, you have to type all the lines continuously one by one by using this break at 10. And we'll type the files. If image has any spell errors or lines repetitions or grammatical errors, you have to do the same thing. So generally you will get some spell errors or lines repetitions or grammaticals in the page itself. If your image has any repetitions or errors, you have to do the same thing. Don't change anything, don't miss anything. Simply copy the same everything from that image to the notepad by using this break. So like that, you have to type all the lines. So once you finish that full page, so here the last line ends with made the. So this is the end of an image. So once you finish that page, at the end of the line, you have to use that break and close that paragraph. So after close that paragraph, just you have to close that body tag as well, and finally you have to type n. So this is the only format you have to follow for all the 250 pages, and you have to type all the 250 pages in an individual notepad. So just type all the 250 pages separately. So once you finish that full page, you have to simply save that file. So just go to that file and click here save as, and here that file name. So whenever save the file name, you have to use that same image file's name. So the same title name UAE 0B, and you have to use that .html. So you can use either uppercase lowercase while give that HTML, that's not an issue, but you have to give the .html while save that file, and just that save step you can select all files. Once you save that file, the file always saved in a default browser like this. You have to check that output after save that file. So once you open that page, it will show just like a book page. So this is your final output. So you have to give the output like this. So in case if the output not shows like that, once you save that, just open that notepad again. We have to find out the errors and rectify again, save that file as a HTML. So this is the way you have to type all the files individually. So once you completed all the 250 pages, just simply create a new folder. Okay, that particular folder name also will be mentioned in that mail itself. So after got that project, we'll give the separate folder name also in that mail. We have to use that particular file name to that folder. And just we have to check that output. Once the output is everything clear and good, simply move the files to particular folder. So like this, we have to type all the files and check that output and move the files to particular folder. So once you completed all the files, compulsory have to compress that file as a WinZip. So we have to always use only that WinZip folder. So just we have to right click on that file and just folder and just click send to click compressed. So once you compress that file, the file will change like this. So you have to upload this folder to the publication website.